Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the maximum zoom level on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on the settings icon on your home screen. In the settings page, go down and tap on accessibility. Next, we're going to tap on zoom. At the bottom here, you can drag on the maximum zoom level, slide the bar all the way to the right or to the left to decrease or increase the maximum zoom level. So let's say I'm going to set it at 15x. You can see here if I double tap on it and then when I drag to zoom in and out, you can see this is zooming up to the maximum 15 times. Now if I decrease the bar all the way down to just 1.2, and now if I double tap to increase, you can see it will go just to the maximum of 1.2 times, and I cannot increase any more larger than that. So that is the purpose of the maximum zoom level. You can see I can zoom up to that amount, and if I set down here, and it will zoom up to 3.5 times only. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.